Good evening, class. My name is Julian Piahe. How are you today? Oh, good to hear that you are okay. Before we start, my secretary, please check the attendance and give me the list of absentees later. So, before we start, who can recall what our topic was last meeting? Anyone? Yes, very good. Now, before we can bake, we also need tools and equipment, right? So today, before we start our new topic, we have first an activity. So this activity, which we call Mystery Touch Challenge. So before we begin our lesson, so let's play a short but exciting game. So I'll call one representative from each group. I will blindfold and you'll use your hand to touch what's inside the mystery box. Once you know what is it, shout your answer loudly. Okay, let's proceed for the group 1. What tools you get? Very good. That's correct. It's a whisk. Now, what do we use a whisk for? Excellent! You really know your tools. Now, class, based on the tools you've guessed, what do you think is our lesson for today? Exactly! Today, we'll learn more about baking tools and equipment with their uses, function, and how use them properly. So now, let's check your answers. Please look at the screen. Okay, so this is the tools and equipment for baking. So first is the mixing bowl. So sa mixing bowl, used to hold and mix ingredients during food preparation. Okay, next, the wire whisk, used for beating eggs or mixing light butter to add air into the mixture. Okay, so the last one, the measuring cups, used to measure dry liquid ingredients accurately. Okay, now let's have another activity, which is classify me quick. So the instruction is, I'll give you printed pictures of baking tools. Work with your group mate to classify them under the right category, which is measuring, mixing, cutting, or equipment. Great job! You were able to classify them correctly. Okay, so I hope you have learned more for our discussion for tonight. So that's all and thank you.